Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai. Today I want to talk to you about sightseeing and tourism. It's going to be a phrase that you're going to need when you're in Thailand because you want to be able to get your information you need. Let's go. So you want to try something new. You have never been there before. You've never been in Thailand before, and they're like, oh well, you have to see this ruin because it's just so mind blowing. So for a lot of people who never been to Thailand before, everything's going to seem new, and it's okay to ask people, is there a recommendation for any place that you can go see? And how do you say that? Is there any place you recommend? มีที่เที่ยวแนะนำไหม มีที่เที่ยวแนะนำไหม which means is there any place you recommend? They might be like, yeah, you have to go see it over here. It's like mind blown. The seventh wonder of the world or whatever. I don't know. I don't care. So yeah, if you want to see those kind of things, just ask them. Ask the concierge, the hotel, ask the locals, ask little kid, I don't know. Alright? Yeah, just say มีที่เที่ยวแนะนำไหม They'll tell you. Alright, next. How much is the entrance fee? Yeah. Nothing is free in Thailand, man. You're gonna have to pay. You're gonna have to pay to play, right? How much is the entrance fee? ค่าเข้าเท่าไหร่ or ค่าเข้าเท่าไหร่ ค่าเข้าเท่าไหร่ They could say free because they love you, but most of the time you're gonna have to pay. Even for myself, I still need to pay because they don't believe that I'm Thai. They believe I'm some kind of weirdo. So yeah, I still need to pay. ค่าเข้าเท่าไหร่ Alright, and just pay it so you can get in. So next, where can I buy a ticket? ซื้อตั๋วที่ไหน ซื้อตั๋วที่ไหน It means where can I buy a ticket? Okay, you have to go to the booth or whatever, and if you ask some guy, if a local nice guy trying to help you out, you're like, oh yeah, it's like, ซื้อตั๋วที่ไหน They'll be like, yeah, you can buy with me. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, go to designated place and buy a ticket there. ซื้อตั๋วที่ไหน Okay, just buy it there. Don't just pay some random guy, just like a nice guy you are. Next one is can I take a photo here? ถ่ายรูปที่นี่ได้ไหม Which means can I take a photo here? Some place they might not want you to take a photo because there's some hidden secret they don't want you to discover. I don't know, man. I just make things up. So can I take a photo here? You have your like 10 light boxes and all this like crew there. They're probably not going to allow you to do that. I mean, with a cell phone photo or whatever, you can use it and nobody cares. Some place is not even allowed. They'll have a sign everywhere, cannot take photos. I don't know why. I don't make this rule up, man. Can I take a photo here? Is ถ่ายรูปได้ไหม ถ่ายรูปได้ไหม or you can say ที่นี่ถ่ายรูปได้ไหม You can switch it around. Say ถ่ายรูปที่นี่ได้ไหม Next one is a long walk. Yeah, that's important. It's a long walk. ต้องเดินไกลไหม ต้องเดินไกลไหม because a lot of places like outdoor, it might take like a whole day to see it, and you don't want to walk. I don't want to walk at all. I hate walking, especially in the sun, It's like ต้องเดินไกลไหม It's like yeah, you have to you want to go see this place up here, you have to walk up here 4 hours hike up the mountain bare feet both ways. Yeah, you don't want to do that. ต้องเดินไกลไหม If they say no ไม่ไกล which means it's not far, don't trust them. They always say ไม่ไกล. They always say it's not far. No one ever says too far. Ever. Seriously. I never once asked anyone, hey, is that far? They'd be like, yeah, so far. Let's go. No one say that. No, man, it's not far. ไม่ไกล. No, it's like 1,000 miles away. So yeah, no, I ain't gonna do that. But yeah, some phrases you can use for tourism and sightseeing that you're gonna need, and go back and watch it and study it. All right. Okay, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I will see you next time. Peace.